inaayos ko lahat bago, hindi ko hinahalo-halo lahat. Because alam niyo naman na lahat na produce ko rin siya. So, it's really hard for me because I'm not used to producing. Diba? Pero I'm learning. Slowly, I'm learning. Tapos, when it comes to singing or dancing, of course, it's more of dancing because that's my strength. Pero yung singing, I want to show people na, okay, he's not the best singer, he's not considered as a singer, but he can pull off his song.
What's unique about the concert that fans will be excited about?
Unique about this concert is hindi ako nag-concert just because gusto ko lang magka-concert, masabi lang nakapag-concert. Hindi rin ako nag-concert because I'm celebrating something. No, this is just really my dream. So it's, kapag napanood nyo, kasi ang dami niyang videos na ginawa, ang dami kong produce na videos na very personal. As in, yung moments na pagod ako na minsan parang napapatanaw ko sa sarili, why am I doing this? Makikita nila yun doon. And gusto ko rin magpakita doon that this is not just like yung natin, yung connection natin during that time. This was planned way back. Actually, pa lang, 2011, I was really hoping na makapag-concert na ako. But it didn't happen, only now.
So this, you personally conceptualized this? Did you collaborate with someone else this time?
Actually, siguro naging mayabang din ako na sobra kasi sa akin lahat ng galing. Sa akin lahat ng galing yung conceptualization. Pero of course, I'm asking, like for example, I'm asking my musical director, sa tingin niyo po ba magiging maganda to or hindi? So nagko-collaborate kami with my choreographer. Nagtatanong ako, maybe we can do this by myself, maybe I can do this with all of you guys. So it's really collaboration. But majority, talagang piniga ko yung utak ko. Kaya like mga bago ko umalis, mukha kong rugby boy sa payat kasi hindi ako makatulog ng ayos yung pagkain ko minamadali ko dahil I'm so focused on this one.
Now you're singing, acting, and now you're also doing hosting. So anyway, how's the transition of that?
It's also a dream. Pero hindi ko akalain na kasing laki kaagad ng Pinoy Big Brother yung magiging franchise na i-host ko. Because sa katulad nga, when I was starting, hindi ako marunong umarte, hindi ako marunong sumayaw, hindi ako marunong kumanta. And now, to be honest, I really don't have any idea of hosting. But I'm willing to learn. I'm willing to start from the bottom and I'm willing to ask help from my co-host. Like, syempre sila Tony, Bianca, and Robbie, sila na yung poste eh. So, I'm just here to learn. I'm here to be the other perspective kasi syempre sila, ang perspective nila is yung kung saan nagsimula yung PBB, nandiyan na sila eh. So, alam na nila yung takbo. But ako, pagpasok ko, I'm gonna make sure that yung perspective ko as the audience. Kasi ako yung nanonood eh. Ako yung hindi naman talaga parte ng PBB before. So, if I find it scripted, I'll tell it I find it scripted. If I find it na parang nagpapakatotoo siya kahit akala ng tao hindi siya so I will balance everything, di ba?
How was it offered to you? Were you surprised when you found out you're going to enter the PBB house?
I think it has something to do with the album also. Because it did well. Tapos nakita nila that I really love performing. I really love the connection, the live connection with the audience. So, dun siya nagsimula. And siguro nakikilala rin naman ako ng tao that I have this, I don't want to call it talent, pero siguro skill that I really like talking to people. Kahit nga minsan napapahamak na ako, yun pa rin yung sinasabi ko because, you know, what you see is what you get. And it's easier, parang you don't have to remember all the lies you said, di ba? So, you just be yourself.
Before you officially hosting the show, you were parang bilagay sa loob ng bahay.
Hindi, I know na mamimit ko si Kuya ng Sunday, but I didn't know na right after my performance sa ASA for the promo of my concert, doon nila ako tatakluban, doon nila ako kutunin kaagad. I didn't know that siguro